Hey guys, I'm out digging again. And guess where I'm at? Yep, at a kid's play place out here and the park. I did find a silver ring back over there a couple weeks back, so hopefully we can find some more stuff out here. I'm gonna bring you over here for our first find. It's not too great, but hey, it is a find. Let me flip you around. All right, here we go. And my thing got mad at me. But right there, we got us a ring. It's a little kid's ring, but still a ring. Let's keep hunting, see what else pops out of here. I'm gonna hit out there for a little bit, see what comes out over there. And maybe we can find some good stuff. I'm hoping. All right, see you on the next find. For our next find, I bring you in. Right there, I was ringing up 50. So it's probably just gonna be bling because it doesn't look gold in color. But we got an earring, that's pretty sweet. Next find, ringing up is 80, 79. I can see it right there in the surface. We whack out there. We got a dog tag. Yep, we got us a dog tag. Next find out here, check it out. We got a token. Cinemark token. Nice. Next find, guys. Ringing up 88. I was thinking it's just going to be a quarter. I think it's a little more than a quarter. I think we have a dollar coin right there. Yep. Looky there. Been a minute. We have a dollar coin. That's pretty sweet. Awesome. All right, we got another find right here, right on the surface. Got another marble. This one's a little chipped, but still pretty cool. Another marble. Hey guys, this is a really cool find here. Didn't expect that at all. Look at that. We got a military badge right there. Yep. Button. I'll have to look up what time period that is, but that is awesome. Wow. From the U.S. Army, I'm guessing. That is neat. Look at that. Alright guys, out here where those old buildings used to be, out by the city, it's owned by the city here. Got one. Got us weedy. Let's see what we have. A little crusty. Maybe we can get a date. Maybe not. Definitely green. Not gonna get a date right now though. But our first weedy of the day. Sweet. All right, guys. I think we have another weedy here. It is pretty chewed up. Got a nice dark patina. Been in the ground a while. Ring up like a weedy did. I think I can start seeing part of the wheat ears right there on the edge. So I'm going to call that a weedy until they get it cleaned up. Awesome. Wheat number 2. All right, we got our next find. I have an old makeup case right there. Max Factor Society. Yep, just have the top part of it there. That's pretty neat though. For our next find, I think I got a baby spoon bowl right there. Yep, little tiny or sugar spoon bowl. Definitely tiny though. Bet it's not silver. Didn't expect to find this out here, but I did. And it's an earring. Probably just gold plated, but still an earring. Awesome. Next find, guys, right next to where that wheat penny was. Check that out. Get you some sunlight. That's gonna be a Canadian right there. That's gonna be a King George. Yep, it's gonna be a King George right there because I saw the date on the back. It's a 41. 1941 Canadian weedy. There we are. Next find, guys. Another weedy. There's got to be silver out here somewhere. I don't know why this thing doesn't want to focus that well. Come on, camera. There we go. Yep. Let's see if we can get a date off this one. Zoom in here. See what we can get. It's going to be a 50s, I'm guessing. On part of 5. Back in for another cool little find. Check this out, guys. You know what that's to? Old cap gun right there. It's an old cap gun. That's pretty awesome. You see what I see? Yep. Got a harmonica reed right there. That's what that's gonna be. Awesome. Bring it back in, because guess what? We got another weedy. This one's pretty crunched up. That one cleaned up later. $2.50. Let's see what it is. We'll get a toothpick. But got another Wheatie. That is sweet. Here's our next find, another Wheatie. It's getting too dark. I can't really see any of it here. I'll look at them when I get home and update everything at the final. But that makes a lot of Wheaties today. That's pretty sweet. No silver though. Not gonna believe what just popped out of the ground. Yep. Look at that. Got a ring. Don't know what it's made out of. More than likely just copper with gold plating. But you never know. I'll take a little closer look at it. But we got a ring today. That is pretty amazing. Thought it was going to be another brass washer or something. No, we got some ring. Sweet. Bring you back in because we got another wheat penny right here. This one we might be able to get the date. Sun's starting to go down. Yeah, I think we can get the date on that one. That side's pretty clean. Zoom in here. So it'll be about 52. What looks like to me. Well guys, back at it again. I'm going to hit this park here around the lake. I found quite a few rings, old coins and stuff at this lake last year when it was dried up. I'm going to try to hit the rim around there, just see what else I can possibly come up with, and hopefully we'll get some good finds, so I'm pretty excited about it. It'll probably be about my last dig for about 6 months because left knee's getting worked on. All right, I'll bring you in on the first find. Let's go. Let's bring you in for our first find. Bring it up about a 78 on my AT. And we got us a token. Gaming token there. That's no cash value right there. Definitely gaming token. Sweet. All right, we're back at it again. Out at the lake here still. I got me an earring. It's ringing up in the high 80s, so not sure. It's probably just bling now, but we got an earring. That is sweet. All right, we got another find here, guys. We got us a Wheatie. So at least we got a wheat scent out of here. Man, the wind is nuts today. We got a cold front coming in again. Supposed to get some rain. That looks like about 44. There we go, 44. Sweet. Well, right next to where I got that Wheatie, we got this putt-putt token right next up to these old trees here out in the lake area. So, got us a token. You're not gonna believe it. Yep. Got me a little silver ring there with an opal on top. Man, that thing is tiny. And it is black because it's been down there a long time. I knew there were some more rings out here for sure. And we got us one. That's gonna be silver, guys. Awesome. This one rang up 82. Pretty good size, $half size. Let's see what we got. Yep, we got us a Kennedy, 97. Nice. Found one of these not too long ago, like a couple weeks back. Don't find them too often, but there is a Kennedy. I think I have another ring here, guys. 81, 82 sometimes. There you go. Pulled it out. I was thinking it was going to be a dime. With it ringing like that, guys, that's going to be a silver, an old ring. Look at that. And that should clean up pretty. Oh, and we dropped it. But guys, we got another silver ring. 2 for the day. Awesome. Wow. Hey guys, Ringmaster Ray, and we're going to do a final wrap up. And what we have here are the finds for the week that I did. It's going to be a while before I'm able to get out and do any more hunting as of Monday. So trying to get all I can in while my knees will hold up. And then we'll get those fixed and I'll get back out there. So did come up with a whole stack of keys this time around. And every kind of key you can imagine, car keys, house keys. Wow, just a lot of keys came up this time. Did get one dog tag right here. We'll show the back of it there. But got that right there, get that dog tag. Ended up with a bunch of marbles. Some of them are newer, some of them are older, and some of them are pretty beat up. They have definitely been played with. It's a nice old one. It's got this part of the cap gun right here, and that'll go with all my other cap guns. It did get a harmonica reed, which was pretty cool. You don't find those very often. Got a Max Factor makeup case right there. Just got the top is all I found. That was pretty sweet. Did get one $50, 1997 right there. Found a bracelet. It's a pretty cool little bracelet. Got that little kid spoon you guys saw earlier. Found this piece. I have no idea what it is. It's got a little tiny hole in the top. It's got a hole in here. Not sure what it would be for, but it is kind of cool looking. Probably going to get it cleaned up a little bit. Ring up pretty good. Got a whole stack of tokens, different tokens from different times, different places. Got a whole stack of those there. You get one Sacagawea $1, so made out at least $1.50 right there. Pretty easy. And one of my favorite finds is this military button right here. I believe this is an Army button. Got it cleaned up a little bit. Came out really, really nice. You get a bunch of wheat pennies. I got several from the 20s right here. This one I can barely make out that it's just a 20. But all the rest of them are 40s and 50s, common. We did get that one Canadian Wheatie right there, 1941, King George. And for some of the better finds over here, let's zoom in a little bit. We'll drop in a little closer. Got a bunch of jewelry, a lot of bling here. Earring, bunch of kids rings that I got there. Thought this was going to be gold when I first came out because of the color of it, but it's not. It's just going to be copper. And I did get this little tiny silver ring with an opal in it. Very beautiful little ring. Tiny, tiny though. And I thought this was a silver ring, but it actually is copper. And it is actually quite pretty, just even as is. So pretty sweet there. We did find a earring right here, and this is 925 written on there. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this type of videos. I'm going to bring you more as soon as I'm able to get out there and do some more hunting. I look forward to doing that, and I'll bring you more treasure. And we're going to add our wheat pennies to our pile here. They are going to go into my coin jar here of all the old stuff. Just drop those right on in. And we're going to add up and see how many wheat pennies I get at the end of the year this time, and some really cool stuff. All right, let's head over to Pistol Packing Pilot. I also want to have you guys keep in mind that Big Red Bullion just had his surgery as of the day that I made this video. And yeah, keep him in your thoughts and prayers, guys. He definitely needs it. He's going to have a long recovery, and definitely one of my close friends. So definitely keep him on your heart. All right, let's head on over. See you shortly.